I'm really happy that I got to see this.
I cried. I'm a baby. I cried.
Delusional. I like that word. That girl is delusional.
I felt like I was a part of the story. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I will be coming back.
I am amazing, Mom. I can do a lot of things. I just can't do this. I don't know why you don't want to start your life. My life has started.
The soundtrack, the set design, I just found myself falling in love with it more and more by the second.
It was really, really amazing.